How to set your home and work addresses in Apple Maps. Here's how to do it. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Next, tap your personal contact card at the top of the screen. This is the contact card linked to Apple Maps and other Apple services. Now, tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the Addresses section. If you don't already have addresses added, tap Add Address. Enter your home address and make sure the label is set to Home. Then tap Add Address again and enter your work address. Make sure the second address is labeled Work. Once you've entered both addresses, tap Done to save your changes. Now open Apple Maps. Under your Places or saved locations, you should see shortcuts for Home and Work. If your addresses don't appear immediately, close and reopen Apple Maps, or give it a few moments to sync. Whenever you update your home or work address in your contact card, Apple Maps will automatically use the updated information. That's it. You've successfully set your home and work addresses in Apple Maps.